Hey guys, we're here with Extra Innovations. We're out at our buddy Charles Yarborough's getting us a steel beam for the sawmill, phase 2. Got the Cat 966. Cut the beam last night. Just loaded on the trailer. And that'll be that. So, good piece of old iron. Gonna get us right where we need. So 27-inch deep beam, 10-inch web on the bottom. We're going to support it with a 6x12 square tube beam underneath it. About 100 pounds a foot, so pretty good sized piece of metal. Time to get it loaded. I'll keep you posted with job progress. We can help you out with any type of commercial work. Please give us a call, 478-501-0102. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.